Hi, this is lab12 from EE 542, the machine learning lab, and this is the Python code that runs on my local computer. So this is a read function that can read the dataset from this website, and I'm gonna do some data pre-processing here. And well, the first 10 rows and the first 100 rows and the of class 0 and the first 100 rows of class 1s are concatenated to be the test set, and this is why the y labels are along with it, and this function can just you can get the data set by calling this function. And this is a logistic regression. Well, if we run this, we're gonna get the accuracy of the logistic regression. Yeah, so the accuracy is pretty high, it's 0.99. And then we're gonna come out this and use this. So this is a neural network. It has 3 layers, and the shape is like the first layer is 64 nodes, and the second layer is also 64. And then it's a fully connected layer, and the output is gonna be 2, because I use the one-hot encoded, so it's gonna be 2-dimensional output. And I'm gonna run this and train the neural network and see what's the accuracy. Yeah, so it performs well on our test set. It's pretty much 100%. And I'm gonna come out this and see. Yeah, this is the bias classifier. And we're gonna see the accuracy of this method. Well, this is 0.84, which is, well, not quite good. And this is the SVM. Okay, and it's 0.99. So now I've deployed my machine learning model on AWS, and so this is my notebook instance, which is a T2 median EC2 instance, and it's currently running. And I've also created a S3 bucket, and this is the data, the bank knows our data set stored in it. And so this is I simply copied my code to the notebook instance and replaced just simply replace the HTTP URL to my S3 address, and then the same goes for everything. And yeah, I personally chose the logistic regression over other 3 methods because this is the simplest one, and the accuracy is pretty high. And F score of these 2 output labels are present here. So yeah, thank you. So now I've created a AMI, machine learning AMI, and I opened the Jupyter Notebook on the remote server, and then in my local server, in my local client, I then use this command to forward the 8888 port to my local host. so that I can access the Jupyter Notebook from my local, from my personal computer. And then you run the same task on the machine learning AMI. For this case, I'm running a logistic regression. And you can see the result are the same. So basically, this lab is done, and thank you.